Welcome to Plutus IS. So today we are going to discuss about a previous year question of IFOS 2022 of transportation problem. That is, in this problem they have asked to find the initial basic feasible solution of this transportation problem by the northwest corner rule. That is by the northwest corner rule. To find the by northwest corner rule, initial feasible solution of the given transportation problem. So how to find the initial feasible solution by the northwest corner rule? Name itself says by the northwest. So obviously that is the northwest. So we know that the northwest, what is this? So that is the north and west side is this. So this corner. So northwest corner. So first in this TP, given TP, pick the northwest corner. That means first we have to pick the cell number this. So in this cell, try to put maximum possible value. Okay, first check the TP is balanced or not. So obviously if the TP is not balanced, so we have to be first balance the TP, but in this case we'll check how to find the TP is balanced or not. So check the number of, that means what is the value of availability and value of demand. So both must be equal, then TP will call the balanced transportation problem. So here 2 3 5 5 10. So obviously that is 10, and here 4 1 5, okay, also 10. So that means demand equal to availability. That means given transportation problem is a balanced transportation problem. So now we will start to find the initial feasible solution by the northwest corner rule. So by northwest corner rule, that rule itself says first pick the northwest corner. So that is the northwest corner. So in this corner allocate as much as possible. So here now first pick cell is, that is the first cell we have to pick, and in this cell try to put the value whatever this cell can get maximum. So here availability is 2 and demand is 4. So this cell can be allocated to the 2. Availability is 2 and demand is 4. So yes, here we can allocate the 2, and then now update everything now. So after updating, now here the 2, after 2, so 2 is the remain, so 1 5, and here that is the 5, 3, and that is the 2 has been allocated. So now that is cancelled out. So now this row has finished. Now here the finish. So now second again pick the in remain matrix. That means in this 6 cells, obviously this has been finished. So now pick the only in this 6 again by northwest corner. First select the cell. So by northwest corner rule, obviously which one cell will be the, now this cell will be the northwest corner again. So again allocate here as much as possible. So how much can we allocate here? So obviously here availability is 3 and demand is 2. So yes, we can allocate it the 2. This cell can get the 2. So now again update everything. So here 2 to 4 is finished. Now then update 1, and then now here 5, and here that is the 2 is end, and now update. So here remain is the 1 and then 5, and this has been already cancelled out. So again same. So these two, one column and one row has been finished. So now in these four cells again repeat the same process by northwest corner rule. Again pick the cell which one is the most northwest corner. So which one is the, now here again obviously this one is the cell, this cell is the now new. So now again allocate it as much as possible. So here availability is 1, and now what is the demand? So yes, obviously 1. So now we can allocate it the 1, we can allocate it the 1. Now update everything again. So now this has been already cancelled out, this is cancelled out, now this is also cancelled out, and this one is the cancel out. So we have what the remain now. Here 5 is remain now, and here also 5 is remain now. So now these are cancelled out and these are cancelled out, so only 5 remain. So obviously we can allocate the 5 here. So that is the, now first check the everything is fine. That is 2 plus 1 3, and now we are 5. In this case 2 2 4, That's fine. 1 and now 5. So now everything, now demand equal to availability, we have allocated every thing, whatever the possible, we have already allocated it. So now this is the initial feasible solution. So what is the initial feasible solution? That is called actually x11, x21, x22 and x34. So x11 equal to 2, x21 equal to 2, x22 equal to 1 and x33 equal to 5 is the required initial feasible solution. Now for that, if the question also asked to find the optimal solution, then you have to be check this solution is optimal or not by the optimality test, and if the solution is not optimal, then further you have to solve this question to find the optimal solution by the modi method, that means modified distribution method to find optimal solution. Yes, but question is only if the question asked only to find the initial feasible solution, and that is actually what we are discussed here, only to find the initial feasible solution. That means the to find the initial feasible solution by northwest corner rule. So this is all about the initial feasible solution of this problem. So now we know that the only two more method to find the initial feasible solution, that is the matrix minimum method and Vogel's approximation method. We have already discussed about it. So you'll see the more previous year questions of the that means of transportation problem, and also the PYQ will solve in the upcoming videos about the how to find the optimal solution in the transportation problem by using the modified distribution method.